Creative Stamping. This is issue 89 and it just landed on our doorstep. And let me show you what is included because there's quite a variety. Look at all of those stamps. Look at that. Yes, they are Christmas, and yes, Christmas has passed, but I guarantee you there will be another Christmas. So in addition to all of these 34 stamps, there are also 2 cutting dies, a frame and then Happy Christmas. Now, we generally say Merry Christmas here in the States. You can cut the happy off after you've die cut it, or you can just leave it all together. So very nice. There's a stained glass look to this imagery, and let me show you what they've done in the magazine. So we'll start here where they're giving you some information about how to do a circle. Now the reason why is because this piece, rather than taking up that whole space, they've given you a piece of it so that you can re-stamp it as you go around, and there's some steps right there how to make it easy. And isn't that a beautiful look? Now we've got more imagery over here. There's some borders that are included, and I guess we can get in a little bit closer to these just so you can really see them nicely because the artwork is beautifully colored. And there we go. Thank you, Steve. So as you can see, they're just nicely done. And turn the page and get you some more. Now here is the arch, and there it is right there in the stamps. This part of the stamp set is from Daisy May Designs, and then the other pieces are really supporting it and really duplicating that style, which is very nice. So a couple of different ways that you can use this, and that's always helpful. And we're going to go here. Now, the reason why I highlighted this is that it does a really fun technique, excuse me, that is called, let me see, that is called an eclipse card. So the idea is that you're doing your stamping and your coloring, and can you see that circle right there? Well, it's been stamped a second time, die cut out and placed on top. So it kind of has this really fun look of a dimension to it, and there's some information and some step-by-steps of how to accomplish that. Fabulous was done right there, and that's just a fun technique, and I thought it was a really nice way. You can see the word love has been die cut out of a piece that was stamped and then placed on top, so that's interesting. And you get some other ideas. So while it doesn't use the stamp set, I thought it was a really fun technique and nice to have all the step-by-step instructions right there for you. Okay, we're going to go right here. This is doing some heat embossing, and again, just doing a really nice job with that stamp and some step-by-steps of how to accomplish that technique. Here we go. Here are some more ideas, and as you can see, creating different types of cards, and that's always nice to have. We're going to go a little bit further, and now you can see even more of doing some stamping and getting that stained glass look. There is with the first one, and then I thought this was really fun with just taking that angel stamp and doing it in different ways and getting little pieces of her and collaging her like a mosaic on the front of that card. Very clever. And this is an article using the Lavinia stamps, and we do carry a nice collection of them, and I just thought it would be nice just to draw your attention there. We've got some step-by-steps going on and some more finished imagery of the Lavinia, which we absolutely love. This is doing something different, so using the stamps in a different manner, and I thought that was really nice. There's that same little arch that's in the stamp set, and there's more. And here we go. This is how to create a galaxy background, and what I love about the magazine is that they do give you techniques that are so useful for many other things that you're going to use rather than just the contents that are included. And I love the step-by-step photos, so helpful, and just really nice to see what these look like. And I've got another page for you. Quick and clear ideas, quick and clean ideas, I might say. And again, it's using the stamps that are included. As you can see, here is that triangle. Again, the angel, there are wise men, the trees, just so many ideas included, and nice to get all of those stamps and the cutting die all together in Creative Stamping issue 89.